Today I will make two typical Spanish dishes. I will start with a tapa, it's called Patatas Bravas, followed by a paella.
Hola amigos! तो अगर इंडियंस को कोई स्पेनिश डिश बहुत पसंद है तो वो है पतातास ब्रावास और पाएलिया, जो स्पेन की सिग्नेचर डिशेस में से एक है। और आज के हमारे शेफ भी स्पेन से है, जो हमें घर पर ये डिशेस बनाना सिखाएंगे। We welcome Chef Miguel Blanco, who's an executive sous chef in one of Ritz-Carlton chain of hotels.
Thank you for having me, Bianca. Today I will make two typical Spanish dishes. I will start with a tapa, it's called Patatas Bravas, that you can translate like in English like wild potatoes, and followed by a paella. Paella originally is made out of rabbit, chicken and some vegetables, but in this case I will prepare a vegetarian paella that I hope you like it and enjoy it. So I have quite a lot of ingredients here: artichoke, olive oil, the vegetable stock, red peppers, some rosemary, mushrooms, garlic, saffron, paprika, tomatoes and beans. Let's turn the gas on. I'm gonna add some olive oil, always extra virgin olive oil. At this point I need to add the peppers and let it cook them for about 10 minutes until they are caramelized. Follow with the artichokes. First I'm gonna peel the outer leaves and later I will cut in quarters. Now I'm going to add my artichokes, mushroom as well, and my beans. And I'm gonna cook this for around 2 minutes. Okay, next ingredients are gonna be the garlic. First of all, we're gonna put here in the middle. I'm gonna add grated tomato and our paprika, but be careful, don't burn the smoky paprika. About like half teaspoon. My stock is getting to a boil right now. I'm gonna add 600 milliliters of boiling stock. Also, I'm gonna infusionate my saffron that I have here with some boiling stock already. Okay, like this and like this. Beautiful color. I'm gonna add my rice. A beautiful color with the saffron. I'm gonna add some peas that I found in my fridge. Then please, it's very important, don't stir your paella at any point, otherwise the rice will release too much starch. But you can move the pan like this instead. Okay, now paella is been cooking for 18-19 minutes. Also I'm gonna add some flavor, okay, some smoky rosemary flavor into it. As you can see, I'm gonna put my clothes and let it rest for about 4 to 5 minutes. Listo, time to enjoy it. In many families they enjoy with lemon and others with alioli like myself. I will add some right now. That's the final vegetarian paella for you guys. Let's do the patatas bravas. Here you have all the ingredients that we will use today. We have our main product, that is the potatoes. After we have tomato sauce, garlic, bay leaf, some rosemary, smoked paprika, 1 lemon, 1 egg, and chilies. You can use any kind of chilies that you want or you have in your dry storage or in your fridge. First of all, as you can see, I peel my potatoes. Now I'm cutting in cubes, and after I will pre-cook them. Now I'm gonna dry my potatoes very well and pre-cook them. Meanwhile, the potatoes are pre-cooking. I'm going to start to make my brava sauce. I have my pan already hot. Then I'm gonna add some extra virgin olive oil, the garlic and the chilies that I have here already cut, okay, some rosemary and some bay leaf. Cook like medium heat You don't want to get too much color in the garlic, you don't want to burn it. It's time to add my tomato sauce. And now we are going to cook for around 15-20 minutes. Okay, let's check one of our potatoes. Then I think are ready. Did you see? It's tender in the inside. Alright, Brava sauce is also ready. Now we are gonna remove just the herbs like rosemary and bay leaf, and the rest we are gonna blend it. Our Brava sauce and our alioli is ready. Alright, now my oil is 180, 190 degrees. I will fry my potatoes. Alright, and now we are gonna add some salt. Very crispy. I'm gonna put it right here. Some paprika and my Brava sauce, my alioli. And here we have our patatas bravas. I hope you like it, you enjoy it, and let's try to do it at home.
Well, that's what authentic Spanish food looks like, and if you're planning to cook the same recipe, do let us know in the comments below. Till then, this is me, Bianca Saurashtri. Happy cooking!